KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, still some showers in the forecast, at least in the near term tonight, but more of a nuisance than anything else. Clearing out later on tonight, couple of nice days ahead, and then we'll see changes toward the end of the week. And then, of course, once again on the weekend, the chance of rain and storms and maybe heavy rainfall and severe weather. More on that in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look outside. Justin Terro getting our weather shot later this afternoon, and it looks like it was several minutes before 5 o'clock. Overcast skies and some showers in the area. See, I'm a genius. I can tell time even without the digital output there. So here we go. Outside, cloudy skies, all in the wake of yesterday's big storm system that's producing the severe weather threat now across the mid-Atlantic. Back to the west, this is going to be interesting. You have winter storm warnings in portions of Utah, winter storm watches from Colorado, Wyoming into Nebraska and South Dakota. They're expecting anywhere between 1 foot to 2 feet of snow with the next big storm system. More on that in just a bit. But locally, still scattered showers, the upper level low off to our north and east. And look at all the damage reports with this weekend storms. Most of the severe weather stayed away Saturday, but Sunday a little bit of a different story. But we had more severe weather call-outs back to the west. And then as the storms rolled on through, we had minor wind damage across the area. And then the storms blossoming out after they passed the basin, as they often do, and even a couple of tornadoes. So we were quite fortunate here in Acadiana. But one of the more interesting severe weather reports was lightning hitting an SUV down in Jeanerette yesterday evening that fried the vehicle. Fortunately, the two passengers in the vehicle, a passenger and a driver, were safe. No major injuries, but check out the pictures on my Facebook page, the professional Facebook page. Quite outstanding and unbelievable. Those folks wound up surviving and didn't avoid serious injury. So now we still have showers with the upper level low. As I mentioned, that's over in Mississippi late this afternoon. Some showers generally moving from the northwest to the southeast, although not as much activity on the radar as we saw an hour ago, but there were some locally heavy downpours. As we lose the daytime heating, those showers will diminish. We'll take a look at the predictive radar in just a bit, but heavier showers northwestern fringes of Jeff Davis Parish, and then off to the south and east, and we'll zoom in on some of that activity. That's in around the Kinder area. Fenton, you're going to get a nice little shower. That's going to work its way southward between Iowa and Welsh in the next half hour or so. Another spotty shower or two just east of the Iota area, and then farther south and east. This is the best looking cell we have just south and east of Franklin near Verdonville and just west of Patterson. You can see the showers moving at a good clip. This is just a 30-minute loop right here, and things moving along at a good clip. Those showers moving at about 40 miles an hour or so. And then we have gusty northwest winds at the surface that continue late this afternoon. So here we go, looking at our predictive radar. Still the risk of a few showers into this evening. The model, though, might be overdoing some of the activity, but up until about 10 or 11 o'clock, it looks like we'll have some showers. Maybe a pop-up around midnight or so, and then things will quiet down. The skies will clear out, and we'll have a nice westerly to northwesterly breeze as we start the day tomorrow. As we look at the European model, we have a nice sunny day on tap for our Tuesday, and then much the same for Wednesday. But here's that whopper of a storm system. Look at the swath of snow it's going to be producing from the Rockies on up through the high plains and eventually the Midwest. For us, it might drag a weak frontal boundary close to the area, might generate a few showers, but no major concerns through Friday. But then heading into the weekend, rain and storms a good bet Saturday into Sunday, and the threat of locally heavy rainfall. We might see another flood watch next weekend, and maybe a severe weather threat, especially Saturday night per this model, but that may change. Of course, the timing will change down the line since we're talking about 6 to 7 days out. So in the near term tonight, upper 50s to lower 60s for most of us through tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, warm one. Temperatures get into the mid-80s across the board with lots of sunshine. Tomorrow night, a little cooler, get down into the upper 50s and back into the mid-80s for your Wednesday once again. So tonight, scatter showers ending. Oh, I forgot to change that 4 to 40%. That will be fixed for 10 o'clock tonight. 85 the high tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, comfortable humidity. Hey, we're all human here in the weather lab. And as we move down the line, we'll see temperatures upper 70s to low to mid 80s into the weekend. Then the big rain chances this weekend. Timing still up in the air this weekend. Right now, it looks like best chance of storms will be Saturday night into very early Sunday morning, and maybe once again a severe weather threat.
All right, thanks, Rob.